the integral of e to the negative x dx using substitution. Let u be the inner function. This is an exponential function with the inner function being negative x. This is the input of the exponential function. Then du equals the derivative of negative x is negative 1 dx. This is because on the left hand side du dx equals negative 1. So du equals negative 1 dx. Now that we can do a substitution, the integral sign e, and instead of negative x, we will rewrite it as u. And dx by itself is negative du, because if negative 1 dx equals du, then dx equals du over negative 1, or simply dx equals negative du. It is very important that we substitute dx with the corresponding expression. This is negative the integral of e to the u du, but we know that the derivative of e to the u is e to the u, therefore the antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u as well. Give the negative sign, the antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u. Don't forget a plus c. There's no u in the given expression, so we would have to do a back substitution where u is negative x, so the answer is negative e to the negative x plus c. The answer is not negative e to the u plus c because, again, there is no c in the given problem. So that is how we find the antiderivative of an exponential function. Most likely, we let the exponent be u. For the second problem, which is a rational expression with a constant 1 in the numerator, and so we will let u be the denominator. The denominator is 5x minus 1, with u equals 5x minus 1 du dx, which is the derivative of u, is 5. The derivative of 5x is 5, and the derivative of negative 1 is 0. Du by itself is therefore 5 dx, so therefore dx equals du over 5. Now that we have all of the components, we can do a substitution. The integral sign, 1 over, no longer 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1 is now u. And we also substitute dx with du over 5. Simplifying this, we have 1 over 5, which is a constant multiple, so we move it to the front of the integral sign, 1 over u du. 1/5 is a constant multiple, and the antiderivative of 1 over u is ln of u. Don't forget a plus c. Usually, if we don't know whether u is positive or negative that go inside of ln, we use the absolute value. And so the answer is 1/5 ln the absolute value of 5x minus 1 plus c.